Skyviper Type R drone. Product details. The Type R racing drone charges to the front of the Skyviper lineup with over 75% more power than our last-gen stunt drone. A lightweight performance frame delivers a superior 2-to-1 power-to-weight ratio, translating to top speeds over 30 mph, sharper agility, and ultra-responsive control. Paired with race-tuned firmware, Type R is engineered to leave the competition in the dust. Pull off 360-degree stunts in 4 directions with the tap of a button and zero learning curve. Set the pace with multiple flight modes, tune down to learn the ropes, or crank it up and lean into the speed. Auto-launch and land with the press of a button. Included are drone battery, remote controller, charging cable, extra propellers, blade guards. Ages 12 and up. High-speed performance. Lightweight frame and 2-to-1 power-to-weight ratio push speeds past 30 mph. Race-tuned firmware. Engineered for sharper turns, quicker response, and next-level maneuverability. Flight modes for every skill level. Start steady